Are you swimming in eggplant? I recently harvested a whole bunch of eggplant, both white and purple. And today I'm going to show you how to ferment it. I'm using garden picked eggplant, oregano, garlic, peppercorns, salt that does not have iodine, some filtered water, and my mason top kit, which includes my masher, my weight, my plastic ring, and my breathable lid. I'm going to leave the skin on, and the first thing that I'm going to do is look for any rough spots. So this is a spot I'm going to take off, and then I'm also going to take off the top. All right, so now I'm just going to cut it into little cubes. It's super important your hands are clean and you're starting with a sanitized jar. So into my jar, I'm going to put, first I'm going to put my oregano. I have 4 sprigs of it, and I'm just going to leave it right on the stems because that's just in there for flavoring. Then I'm going to put in 3 small garlic cloves, and then my peppercorns. Next, I'm going to put in my aubergine, my eggplant, so it's going to go inside. I'm going to get it about halfway full, and then I'm going to put some pressure on the eggplant. We want to get as much air out as possible in the jar. Some more in. And you're probably wondering, what the heck am I going to do with this fermented eggplant? Well, you can eat it as a snack. It's super good for your gut. You could also put it on salads and on sandwiches. But I'm going to share a recipe a little bit later on a bean salad that I make with fermented eggplant. All right, we've got that pretty much all the way down. I want to make sure I have enough room for my weight. Need to do a little bit more pushing. Okay, so I have 3 cups of water. This is filtered water. If you don't have a filter, you can always boil your water. And then salt, 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm going to give it a little swirl. I should have brought a spoon or something, but hey, I'm in the garden. I didn't bring everything I needed from the kitchen. Okay, so now we're going to pour this mixture over the eggplant. Let it bubble up a little bit and settle. I'm going to push down one more time. Release all the air bubbles that I can. All right. And then I'm going to put on my mason top weight. Right on top there. My breathable lid. And then I'm going to screw on my plastic ring. Now I'm going to put it in a cool spot, and in a couple days I'm going to check it and see if it needs to go longer. I'm anticipating it's going to take about 6 to 7 days to get to be where I want. So we should have the flavor of the garlic, the oregano, and a little bit of saltiness. And hopefully the eggplant is still going to have a little bit of crunch, but also be nice and soft and chewy in the middle. Oh, and by the way, the link for this amazing kit is in the description. Well, thanks for liking this video. Follow for more, and don't forget to seed the day.